Good morning. So we have left. We're now at a diner getting some breakfast. Look at that view. It's so pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Nature. Let's see what they got. Breakfast. Oh, it smell good? Time to chow down. This moment right here, I was just taking it all in because if you are anything like me and you come from the big city, like New York City, anytime you could get away, you want to get away. And this was just bringing me so much joy, so much comfort, so much peace. I just was so relaxed, and it was bittersweet because I didn't want to leave and I didn't want to go back home. And that is just how I know that I am now in a place and space in my life where I am deserving of this right here. So, God willing, we are able to take more trips like this and then obviously permanently make somewhere like this our forever home.